Hello everyone, my name is Chance David Akiki and I have come back with another recording. Today purposely I want us to look at how we can use Google Meet. I want us to use on how we can use Google Meet. Most people, like in the era we are in, most people they can tell you that let us have an online meeting, but you don't know how to use some of these technologies. So what we do when they tell you to join on Google Meet, you'll need to download the Google Meet application. The Meet application, you go to, if you have a phone, you go to the Play Store and you write there Google Meet, then you'll be able to download it. So if you have a laptop like this, you can go to Google, just open Google, to open normally like this, then you write there Google Meet. Write there Google Meet. I think you can be able to select it here. So after opening Google Meet, it will open like this. Then you just open the Google Meet application. When you open it, it will look like this. This is its interface. So if someone has already created the link and they have shared you with the code, you just enter it here and you press enter. Or if you are the person who is calling for the meeting, you can click here, you create new meeting. Then here these are the three options that we are having. Create a meeting for later, you can create a meeting for later time, or you start an instant meeting, or here you can schedule in a Google Calendar. Google Calendar has got date, time and the notifications. For example, you want to schedule your meeting tomorrow at 9, then the Google Calendar would be able to remind people through a notification tomorrow at 9 about that meeting. So I want us to use this option, start an instant meeting. You come and click on start an instant meeting. It is still loading. So once it has loaded, it will be like this. I have started an instant meeting and it opens like this. So here I can be able to add other members. Just click here, you add other members, or I can copy this code, copy this link, and maybe I can open my WhatsApp and I share it to people whom I want to join me in the meeting. Alternatively, I can add them manually by add others. So after that, what I will do is, I think you can minimize a bit here. So I come on WhatsApp. Maybe I would wish to come and select where you want. Maybe I want this person to get the link. I just open his WhatsApp and I send him the link. You just click, you Control V there, then you send the link. That person will be able to join the meeting immediately by clicking into that link. So that is done. Now we have successfully logged in into our meeting, and this is the online meeting. We have successfully logged in. I assume all of us we are on. So there are a few things we have to understand here. When you log in, this is the interface. This is what you see. So this one, it is for microphone. Sometimes people can be making noise in the meeting. So maybe a lecturer would tell you, can you please mute your microphones, or any speaker would tell you to mute your microphones. Most people, they don't know where microphones are. This is a microphone. You can click in it, then it stops. Or if you want to talk, then you click in it again, it opens. So this is an icon for video. Maybe you want people to see you as you are attending the meeting. You can just click here, then it will allow you. Meet can't use your camera. So sorry, my camera is already in use, so Meet cannot use it. For example, if it was not in use, then it would open other people to see you. So assume maybe you have something that you're presenting to people. This is where you share your screen from. All these things, as the way you see them here on the laptop, it is the same way they appear on the phone. So if you want maybe to present notes to people, maybe you have some notes you want to present to students, you just come here and click on share. What are you sharing? We're sharing screen. I prefer sharing the entire screen. Then you click in it, then you say share screen. When you click in share screen, people who are attending a meeting the other side would be able to see what is on your screen, what is on the presenter's screen. So I should maybe maybe I'm presenting something. I come and open, I look for what I want to present. You just come and open your folder here. Maybe I want to present group worker 1. So you open it like this. Yeah. So ideally everyone would be able to see what is on this screen, would be able to follow these notes as maybe someone is teaching. It can be a teacher, it can be like a student presenting, or any other person. So this is, I think for now, this is what we can go with. I can stop sharing. Maybe if you're done with the presenting, you can click on stop sharing. Yeah, all these ones, maybe if you want to ask a question, you click in this hand. When you click in the hand, then the presenter would be able to see that someone wants to say something. So if you're done with what you want to say, you also click in the hand and it goes down. Maybe if you want to send the reaction about something, maybe you are amused with what someone has said, we can use this one, this icon here. You think you can see what is happening the other side. So once everything is done, this one you can turn on captain. It's not so important. Then there are more options here. You can always go to more options if you want to discover more. And you can click here to see the number of people who are attending the meeting. You can add people by inviting them. So I don't want to keep this this recording very long. I would wish us to stop here. Thank you very much, members. You can always consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chance David Akiki. Thank you very much.